Okay, honey, it was thirsty. My scalp was thirsty as fuck. Okay, ghetto, just dry, crusty, and ghetto, child. I gotta get it together. Sheesh. Hello, honey gang. Welcome back to another video with your girl, Shark Heavy TV, honey. Guys, I am so happy. I am so pleased with my hair. I got it retwisted today, aka interlocked, because I think we are going to do interlocking from here on out. But anywho, if you are interested in hearing all about my 10th month lock journey, go ahead and stay tuned. So let's get right into it. So I tried a different hairstyle, kind of similar to the first hairstyle when I first got my locks. I'll insert a picture if I can. But this is what it's looking like. I love it, I love it, I love it. And I had her go ahead and leave 2 pieces out for me so that I could go ahead and put my beads back on. If you haven't already checked out my video where I tried to do a fake retwist and added some lock jewelry to my hair, go ahead and check that video out. That is where the beads and stuff originally came from. So I do not have a beader, so I'm going to try to use this comb to try to bead my hair. And I'm just going to kind of talk about my journey while I do this. So this is officially my 10th month lock update. While I do this, I am going to insert a clip of what my hair was looking like before the retwist, because honey, we had some stuff going on. My hair was looking just ridiculous, and I definitely, like I said in my previous videos, I am not let me talk right. I'm not a lock expert. I am not a guru. I am just simply here sharing my experience with you guys. Okay, so I can admit that I had kind of fallen off with my routine. Okay, we got one. Let's see if we can get the other. With my just my daily moisture routine, I had just really fallen off, you guys. I don't know. I can't really tell you what happened or why. Like, there's just been a lot going on, like with work and, you know, stuff like that, which is no excuse. There's never an excuse to, you know, neglect your hair, your weight, your skincare, just your overall health, whatever. You know what I mean? There's just never an excuse. And so I don't have an excuse. All I can tell you is what I think happened. And I think I was just getting so caught up with, you know, work and stuff. And I just was not paying attention. Like, girl, you have not moisturized your hair in days. So there was kind of some not kind of, honey, there was some severe dryness, okay? Like, my scalp just looked like, it just looked like it was thirsty, okay, honey? It was thirsty. My scalp was thirsty as fuck. I'm just gonna put that out there because that's what it was. But, yes, it was all bad. And so I am definitely going to have to get that together. And I definitely have to do, you know, tea tree oil like almost on an every other day basis, just because it is really, really good with protecting my scalp and preventing and all that good stuff, honey. And I just have to do it. You know, there's just those things in life that you just have to do. If you want something to look a certain way, like, for example, losing weight, if you want to look a certain way, then you're going to have to be consistent and be on a routine. And that's what my problem was, child. I was not being consistent enough at all. So I have to do better about that. But honey, she got me right together. Okay. My lactician is thebomb.com. She really, really is. And she always makes my the styles that I want come to life. So let's see what else. Nothing has really been new. I have noticed that they are really starting to lock at the ends now, more of them. I still have my major frizziness right here, but I can tell they're moving further and further down the lock. So y'all can see these are out. And you'll see in the clip that I put in the video of what my hair looked like before this, you can really see where the frizziness is at. And, you know, she just said with my hair texture, you know, everybody's lock journey is not going to be the same. So I can't really compare it to others, and you can't necessarily compare yours to mine. All I can do is just tell you how mine is going. And honey, that's how it's going. Okay. We frizzy over here. And I cannot get this bead on for the life of me. Jesus. I really need to get me a beater. I got this one on, but I'm struggling to get this on. That's because I'm being ghetto, y'all. Just out here ghetto. Just dry, crusty, and ghetto, child. I gotta get it together. Sheesh. Anyhow, so yes, that was a major deal with the 10th month lockup date. Was me basically neglecting my hair. It was dry, crusty, and raunchy, honey. I definitely did wash my hair throughout the break of retwist, but I probably need to do it more, especially with me working out and sweating in the middle of my head. This bead better get on my nerves. And then what else? And she also suggested that I try like some Head and Shoulders or something kind of like medicated formula or something for like dryness or something like that to help with my scalp. Because y'all know previously before she was concerned that I might have psoriasis, but you know, with that tea tree oil, that like cleared that right on up. So I didn't have any more issues with that. So probably I really just need to be consistent with my tea tree oil, and then we won't have these issues, honey. We won't have these issues. So definitely, you know, don't be like me. Make sure you are being consistent with your moisture routine, your lock routine, whatever you're doing on a daily basis. And even if you're not doing it on a daily basis, if you at least are doing it like every other day, I probably need to be doing it daily just because of me working out or whatever, and I sweat in the middle of my head. But yeah, you definitely have to, you know, stay on top of that. Y'all, this is not working out. Oh, let me breathe. Let me breathe. I don't know how I got one on there and can't get the other. So, anywho, let me put these on and I'll be back because I don't want this to be taking up the whole video. Okay? Okay, honeys, I am back. I got my beads on. I only did 2 since they're not too long, and then I put another shell here and just a ring here. I didn't do anything to the back, just because I can't really see the back, and I just wanted to kind of frame my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting spruced up a bit while I talk to you guys. So basically, for my 10th month update, that was the most of it. Wow. Child, you can tell I can't see without my glasses. Anywho, so basically keeping up with my moisture routine and making sure that my locks are staying hydrated and moisturized, and more importantly, my scalp as well, because honey, the locks is doing great. She thinks that they are right on track. I can't believe it's already about to be a year. It'll be a year on September 24th. So yes, you guys, that's probably the biggest thing that I've learned, that and patience, because you know a lot of my locks are still, you know, kind of frizzy, and it is what it is. That's what it's going to be. So I literally have to just accept that and let them do what they are going to do. So that's what I am learning. You can't compare your locks to other people's locks because y'all don't have the same hair. Diet, weight loss, working out, exercising, medications that you take, anything can have a certain effect on how your locks grow, what they look like, and all of that good stuff. So that's something that I have to keep in mind. I can't keep, you know, watching the lock gurus on YouTube, because my locks are not going to necessarily look like their locks. So if there's anything you take away from this video, honey, take away keeping your locks clean and moisturized, and trust in the process, okay? Trust the process and have patience. I am excited for what my locks are going to look like at a year. I can't believe that, like, it's literally gone by so fast. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, y'all literally just don't know. It has definitely been a long time coming. Let me stop. But no, for real though, seriously. It's been a long time coming, but they are doing really, really good. So make sure you stay tuned to see, honey, what they end up looking like once we do finally get to a year. It's literally right around the corner. I am not doing a heavy makeup look. I'm kind of attempting to, I guess, do a makeup, no makeup look, I guess. Something real subtle. You know, I like being natural, and I don't really do like all the eyeshadow stuff and stuff like that. So yes, you guys, if you guys let me know down below what you guys think about this new hairstyle and these new jewelry that I have in. Let me know what month you are in your journey. I'm curious to see where you guys are at as well. If you've even started your journey, want to start, getting ready to start, and all that kind of stuff. I did talk to her about color as well. So stay tuned for that, honey. Okay. I am excited about that. And then what else? I don't think there's really too much else. I guess you can say this kind of ended up being a get ready with me, which I did not plan on, but I hope you guys are enjoying the video thus far though. Please go ahead and like, honey, comment, and subscribe. I love hearing from you guys. And it doesn't have to be about locks either. Y'all can tell me what's going on in y'all's lives, what goals y'all may have for the last 6 months of the year. Anything, honey. Yes, baby! I am so extra. But yes, you guys, this is the final product. I absolutely love it, you guys. Nothing feels better than having your hair done, having your nails done, having your feet done, you know what I'm saying? This is a different color for me. Feel a little bit bougie with it. But yes, you guys, 10th month lock update. I'm gonna do better with moisturizing my hair, using more tea tree oil, making sure I'm being consistent. And yeah, you know, making sure I'm taking care of my scalp and my locks. I am gonna start washing my hair more since I work out a lot. And then I'm also probably gonna try like some Head and Shoulders or some different products that'll probably be more medicated or whatever to kind of help with my scalp. So yes, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way through, I appreciate you guys so much. Go ahead and leave me a emoji at the bottom. Comment down below. Might give you a shout out. I might start that back. But yes, honey, we all goods over here. We all goods. Anywho, let me quit playing around with y'all. But I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.